Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and I get asked this question a lot, and I want to really break down everything you need to know about this. But hey, I just got divorced. I have not worked in a long period of time or whatnot. Am I able to get a mortgage? Okay, but before I break down everything you need to know about that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with more videos like this. So let's go over kind of a very specific scenario I had a couple months back. A woman had just come out of the divorce and was starting a new job, okay? And she has not worked in, it was about 10 years, okay? Now, the first thing you'll see online and when you research this is that, hey, you have to have a 2-year work history. That does not mean you have to be working for 2 years. It means on your loan application, you need to document a 2-year working history total, so 24 months, okay? So she, in this example, had not worked. But was starting a new job and had the offer letter on the new job, which you can go off of the offer letter to qualify as long as it's salary, it's not commission or bonuses. You're not going to get credit for those things. And you just have to have that job and the first pay stub be before your first mortgage payment. So if you're closing in June and your first mortgage payment is August 1st, before August 1st, you have to have that pay stub. You can do this on a conventional loan. You can do it on an FHA loan, though FHA has additional guidelines needing reserves. And conventional, you can even start that job after the first mortgage payment, but they're going to need some additional or require some additional reserves, money left over in the bank also. So what did we do? We went back and documented her employment history from an employer when she was there, let's say about 10 years ago, okay? And she worked there for X amount of years. So that gave us the 2-year history. You could also have been in college, right? And we're able to use your college transcript as part of the documentation of that 2-year history, okay? So you can absolutely get a mortgage if you are coming out of divorce and have worked for a long period of time. Now, an extra caveat, FHA, when you have longer than a 6-month job gap, wants to see that you're back working for 6 months, okay? So let's say you were in college, got divorced around this time, then started the new job or something along those lines. And it was all, under 6 months of a gap situation. Fantastic. Past that, you'd have to be on that new job for 6 months. They want to see that you're showing some type of stability. Now let's piggyback this. If you're using child support income from the divorce, this is also doable, but you've got to make sure that the kids are going to be, or the kids' ages will allow you to keep receiving that for 3 years or longer. And you've got to have a 6-month payment history on conventional for child support and a 3-month payment history receiving it on FHA. So if it's a very quick or a very recent divorce, there's a chance you may not be able to use that child support income. Okay, so just keep that in mind if you're trying to include that when qualifying for the mortgage. So again, coming out of divorce, I'm starting a new job. I have not worked in a decade. Am I able to get a mortgage? Absolutely you can. There's mortgage options out there, and I've closed many, many files with scenarios like this, and I wanted to break down the specifics so if you're in this situation, you know exactly what the rules are so you feel more comfortable going out there and buying a home, all right? Call or email me anything, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find these videos helpful, and I would love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.